So this is my grandmother's house. It's blew down during the storm. Yeah, my grandmother's house. This house is blown down through the storm. Storm has damaged all of her house. This is an one-room board house. It has damaged. If my grandmother was in it, she would have get damaged as well. This is the other house, other part of the house that is connected to this one. The tree, these two trees blow right through this house. You see? So these trees almost went over that wall. So this is how dangerous the storm was. Okay?